Getting started. This instructional DVD is designed to accompany our range of installation literature. We'll take you through the processes specific to solid surface installation, building upon your knowledge of fitted standard worktops, highlighting key points along the way. These demonstrations will show you how to efficiently and successfully install our solid surface worktops. Our solid surface worktops are heavy and should be carried by at least 2 people. The worktop should always be carried vertically on their edge so that the weight is supported correctly. This is particularly important if any cutouts have been made prior to the tops being delivered to the site. In these instances, we would recommend the use of plywood boards clamped to either side of the worktop over the cutout to ensure adequate support. When unpacking the worktops, turn them face down and run a knife down the tape to open. Take care to only use a small bladed knife and hold away from the top where possible while cutting, so as not to scratch the underside of the worktop, just in case the reverse is visible in the finished application. When using 2 or more products together, be sure to check colour consistency prior to installation. To do this, put the tops together and lightly sand across them, and then wipe with denatured alcohol. This will give the most accurate basis for comparison. Each individual worktop surface is covered with a protective plastic film. Before using the worktop, this plastic film must be removed. Upon removal of the film, there will be residual adhesive on the surface. To remove this, use a household cleaner such as Cif Power Cream. Apply the cleaner to the surface with a cloth, leave it for a short period, and then wipe off the residue and dry the surface thoroughly. By doing this, there will be no hindrance of tooling travel during the installation processes. All tops are supplied with a 400 grit finish. For all of the installation processes covered in each of our training videos, we will demonstrate the sanding techniques required to return the surface to this level of finish. The finishing video will then take you through the techniques used to increase the level of finish should the end user require it, as well as showing the final polishing steps that should be taken in every case. Remember, our training videos provide a visual representation of the installation processes. They do not exhaustively document all health and safety requirements or consider every possible project circumstance. All supporting literature must be read prior to the undertaking of any installation tasks. Ensure that you have made full consideration of and are working in compliance with all health and safety legislation. You are responsible for your working environment and those in it. Always carry out a full risk assessment on that environment and the operations to be carried out.